For me, when people ask me what is Aikido, what does Aikido mean to me, I usually like to explain the three characters, the three kanji characters that form the word Aikido. So we have the character AIKIDO, and the first character I can be translated in English as harmony or unity. So from the start, people can have a feeling that Aikido is about harmony. And this sets the stage for usually the next question. Oh, who can win? Can I win a fight if I learn Aikido, right? So Aikido is about harmony and unity. The second character is Ki. I think it's a very easy translation as energy, but it can also be translated as spirit. The Ki in Aikido is the Chi in Tai Chi Chuan. So we are talking about an inner energy and maybe an energy of the movement. And then Do is way, path. So Do is shared with other martial arts like Judo, or even arts like calligraphy, Shudo, right? So Aikido then, if we put all these three words together, all these three characters together, it would come out as the way of harmonious spirit, or I call it the way of harmony, or even some suggest the way of unity with the spirit. And then what people understand by spirit is debatable, right? But to me, Aikido is the way of harmony.